the master of adventure. Since the model was introduced in 2002, the V-STROM continued to evolve and take on roads of all kinds as it won the hearts of riders around the world. And now, as it celebrates its 20th anniversary in 2022, the V-STROM evolves once again, aiming to achieve even greater heights of adventure touring performance. One highlight is the addition of the new V-STROM 1050 DE model. While retaining the attributes of the V-STROM identity, including the powerful V-twin engine, the V-STROM 1050 DE advances dynamic performance to enable the rider to freely control the bike on gravel and flat dirt, and establishes a new expression as the master of adventure for a new era. The new V-STROM 1050 and 1050 DE bring greater dynamic performance and a better feeling to long-distance touring. Building on the excellent touring performance of the V-STROM 1050, which focuses primarily on going the distance on paved roads, the new V-STROM 1050 DE strengthens performance when the rider wants to leave the pavement behind as part of the touring experience. Adding the new V-STROM 1050 DE to the mix broadens the possibilities to explore without limits. Suzuki was the first to mass-produce a motorcycle with an all-aluminium frame, and the new V-STROM 1050 and 1050 DE proudly continue this heritage. The frame incorporates lightweight, supple and strong extruded aluminium sections that contribute to nimble handling and help achieve a well-balanced chassis that delivers excellent handling stability and cornering performance. It improves long-distance touring performance that combines satisfying and stable performance on gravel and flat dirt with nimble handling when riding in town. The V-STROM 1050 retains the same excellent chassis geometry that performed so well on its predecessor. The new V-STROM 1050 DE adopts a 21-inch front wheel and its own dedicated chassis geometry, designed to realize even better dynamic performance on flat dirt and gravel. Suzuki devised a series of brutal load tests specifically for the V-STROM 1050 DE, including several endurance tests that simulate rough conditions, as well as tests to prove its ability on flat dirt and gravel. These contributed to achieving uncompromised build quality, as well as improved reliability and ride feeling. The V-STROM 1050 DE's 21-inch front wheel is shod with a semi-block pattern adventure tyre that improves grip and traction on flat dirt, while also delivering a comfortable ride on the tarmac that helps minimize fatigue on long rides. The wire-spoked front and rear wheels adopt a new design that retains the same level of performance while upping the appeal of their styling. The tapered aluminium handlebars for the V-STROM 1050 DE are wider than on the previous model. Optimized tube thickness and rigidity allows the handlebars to better absorb shock for greater comfort. This combines with the wider grip to provide greater control when riding on gravel or flat dirt. The front forks feature extended length and a longer stroke, while a change in their rake helps improve stability on loose surfaces. The rear suspension also gains a longer stroke, which further contributes to performance on gravel and flat dirt. The swing arm adopts a new design. It is longer and increases torsional rigidity by approximately 10% to enhance straight-line stability. These changes contribute to better handling and straight-line stability. The front brakes continue to use 4-piston radial mount monoblock calipers that grasp 310mm diameter floating mount dual discs. They boast sure stopping power and controllable braking performance, even when paired with the 21-inch front wheel. The V-STROM 1050 DE adopts its own new windscreen, featuring an 80mm shorter and slightly narrower design that affords a clearer view of the road surface directly ahead of the front tyre when exploring country trails. The V-STROM 1050's windscreen is height adjustable, so the rider can set it to their ideal height. The V-STROM 1050DE adopts a new lightweight rigid seat design. This durable new seat stands up well to input load when riding on unpaved surfaces and to weight shifts as the rider changes position. The height of the V-STROM 1050's seat can be adjusted upward by as much as 20 millimeters. The lightweight rigid chassis enables stable performance on everything from city streets to gravel and flat dirt surfaces. This connects to the improved handling and comfort a rider wants for long-distance touring. The V-STROM 1050 and 1050DE are both equipped with the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, a collection of advanced electronic control systems designed to support the rider under any riding conditions. In addition to the Suzuki traction control system and bidirectional quick shift system, SIRS includes systems that leverage posture data from a 6-axis IMU, such as the motion track brake system, cruise control system, slope-dependent control system, and hill hold control system. SIRS also features Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, the combined brake system, the load-dependent control system, and a variety of other advanced electronic control systems. With each system designed and thoroughly tested to operate the way the rider expects, SIRS helps realize a more exciting riding experience with intuitive control. Countless hours of repeated analysis and revisions for each setting aimed to achieve optimal support in every conceivable situation and for every level of riding skill. The new V-STROM 1050 and 1050DE are now equipped with Suzuki's bidirectional quick shift system. Because the ECM automatically controls the electronic throttle valves and ignition timing to match the engine's operating speed, the system realizes silky smooth shifting throughout the rev range. This reduces fatigue and helps keep the focus purely on riding. The V-STROM 1050DE gains a couple of extra modes that extend the functions of two of these electronic control systems. A new G mode, or gravel mode, has been added to the Suzuki traction control system for the V-STROM 1050DE. In contrast to the existing modes, G mode helps the rider better negotiate corners on flat dirt by continuing to deliver power while suppressing it only enough to prevent excessive rear wheel spin. As a result, the rider gets the consistent power output they want, the bike remains controllable, and it is less likely to try to push itself upright or lose traction while cornering. By allowing the rider to better maintain speed and power while cornering, G-Mode promotes greater confidence and makes it more enjoyable to explore unpaved roads and country trails. The V-STROM 1050DE also adopts a rear ABS off mode. Adding the ability to switch off rear ABS helps improve performance on gravel and other unpaved surfaces. Power is supplied by the latest iteration of Suzuki's long-proven liquid-cooled V-twin engine. The product of many years of development by a dedicated team of passionate engineers, this engine epitomizes Suzuki's engineering principles and originality. Suzuki's V-twin engine features abundant torque in the low RPM range and a free revving nature that maximizes power output in the high RPM range. As such, it excels whether riding on city streets, negotiating winding roads, or exploring gravel roads and flat dirt trails. Suzuki's dual spark technology utilizes 2 iridium spark plugs per cylinder, which are controlled independently to maximize combustion efficiency and fuel economy. The new V-STROM 1050 and 1050DE are the first Suzuki motorcycles to employ sodium-filled exhaust valves. By helping reduce temperature in the combustion chamber to improve loading efficiency, the valves help improve combustion efficiency and power output. The 6-speed transmission's updated gear ratios make shifting from 1st through 5th gears smoother, with more powerful acceleration and greater controllability, and also deliver a more comfortable ride at cruising speed. The V-STROM 1050DE also adopts a stronger drive chain with sturdier links and pins and dedicated new shift lever that improves dependability. The throttle grip action of Suzuki's electronic throttle control system is said to be slightly stiffer, particularly when first opening the throttle. This realizes faithful response to the rider's throttle action with a feeling of more linear control. The V-STROM 1050 and 1050DE introduce a custom new 5-inch color TFT LCD multifunction instrument panel. It keeps the rider fully aware of all the bike systems and settings, while supplying other critical real-time operating status information. Large pop-up warnings are also displayed to alert the rider in case a malfunction occurs. Separate day and night display modes maximize visibility at any hour and in any riding situation. The vertically stacked LED headlights are compact and light in weight, as are the LED position lights, LED turn signals and LED tail light. Design is in our DNA. The V-STROM 1050 and 1050DE were born of the aim to create the latest original Suzuki design. The styling inherits design DNA directly from the legendary 1988 DRZ Paris-Dakar racer, most notably from the distinctive expression of its front beak design, which remains familiar today to all true motorcycle enthusiasts and is still beloved by many. The design of the V-STROM 1050 and 1050DE remain true to this design DNA heritage, even as it evolves as a modern adventure tourer with a more aggressive and tougher yet sophisticated look. The V-STROM 1050DE adopts a 21-inch front wheel to help it perform better on gravel and flat dirt. It is also fitted with its own dedicated windscreen. These combine with the aluminium engine protector, standard equipment accessory bar and dedicated front fender design to create a tough look. The result is styling that truly befits the master of adventure. A rich selection of genuine accessories is available to help the V-STROM 1050 and 1050DE support every type of adventure. The aluminium side and top cases feature ample storage capacity, can be used on paved roads or unpaved trail, and are designed to maintain excellent handling and stability when attached. That makes them the perfect complement to the fun of any long-distance touring run. Plastic case sets are also available. Other optional accessories that add to the appeal of this adventure tourer include an LED fog lamp set and grip heaters. Throughout its 20-year history of continuous evolution and refinement, the V-STROM 1050 has proven itself time and again to be an outstanding performer and a highly capable sports adventure tourer. Taking the evolution a step further, the new V-STROM 1050 and 1050DE are ready to take you wherever you want to go. The master of adventure, for wherever your journey takes you.